Have you ever watched an amazing bass player like Abraham Laboriel and wonder how he make the bass sound like a drum and at the same time like a bass guitar? Well, this is not expensive equipment and this is not magic. The secret is called Bass Percussion Groove Techniques. And today I'm going to teach you exactly how to play this percussion groove technique using step-by-step simple beginner approach that everyone can learn. And by the end of this lesson, you will be able to add drum-like sound to your bass groove, make your playing sound more professional using this percussion bass groove techniques that you can constantly use on your bass to stand out and sound like a pro. So make sure you stay with me to the end of this lesson because I'll also share with you some of the common mistakes beginner makes and how to avoid these mistakes. Simple practice tips and special grooves that will improve your bass playing faster than you expect. So let's get started. What is bass percussion techniques? Bass percussion techniques is the art of creating rhythm drum sound while playing the bass. In my simple term, playing your bass guitar to sound in a percussive way, that is to sound like a drum without necessarily offending your drummer. So instead of you hearing only notes on the bass, you hear some percussive sound and ghost muted note accompanying your groove. So this combined makes your groove feel alive. With this percussion groove techniques, you think of yourself as both the bassist and the drummer. And that is why so many great bass players sound so excited. For the sake of this lesson, we are going to use key F. Step 1, let's learn the note. 5, 1, 5, 1, low. 5, 5, 1. So how do we turn this into percussion groove techniques? What you need to do, use your left hand and place your fingers muted. Your finger should be placed muted. Then use your right hand and strike your string. String 1 or string 2, but I prefer string 1. So I'll now take those same notes. So you have to start gradually, get the accuracy, develop your notes, make sure your notes are clean, make sure your notes are accurate. So let's learn the note for step 2. So do, so fa, do fa, do re, la re, la so, re do. Speed. Here are 5 beginners grow practice tips. 1. Practice slowly because fast playing comes naturally after accuracy. 2. Always practice with a metronome because good timing is more important than fast fingers. 3. Record yourself, as this will help you notice some of your mistakes you never hear while playing. 4. Learn to listen to great bass player every day, as this will improve your bass playing ability. 5. Focus on clean notes instead of complicated techniques because simple groove well played sound amazing. So on our step 3, I'm going to use a simple song as an example. Then we now see how to apply these percussion groove techniques. So the note percussion technique. So you have to start gradually, get the accuracy, develop your notes, make sure your notes are clean, make sure your notes are accurate. Make sure your notes are clean before you can apply some speed to it. So here are some common mistakes you can avoid. 1. Playing too fast. No, just take it easy and develop speed gradually. 2. Pressing your strings too hard. 3. Forgetting your rhythm. As a beginner, you carefully pay attention to your rhythm. 4. You are missing practicing with metronome. You have to start using metronome because metronome keep you in timing. So you can also download your virtual metronome on your Google Play Store or your mobile app Play Store. 5. Giving up too quickly. As a beginner, you have to be resilient with your instrument. Don't give up no matter the challenge. Keep pushing, believe in yourselves, and you will definitely get there. Remember, every great bass player was once a beginner, so don't give up. If you practice this percussion group 15 minutes every day for over 30 days, I promise you will notice better improvement, cleaner groove, much more confidence in terms of playing your bass. So all you need to do is develop a time at least 15 minutes every day for over 30 days period, and trust me, you will sound great. You have to remember that great bass players are not made by just practicing one day. Your practice section must go beyond one day and becomes a daily routine. Okay, if these lessons help you, leave a comment below. Let me know which bass percussion groove techniques you are going to start using immediately on your bass. Don't also forget to like this video, share it, and turn on your notification. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next lesson. God bless you.